This cue card has been recently seen in test centers all over the world. Describe a bad service you received in a restaurant. Listen to this answer to find out how to get a higher score in the test.
Oh, do I have a story for you? Picture this. It was pouring rain on Friday afternoon, and I thought, why not treat myself to lunch at this supposedly amazing restaurant downtown? So there I was, super excited for a great meal. But oh boy, right from the start, things felt off. The waiter barely noticed me and seemed like he'd rather be anywhere else. I asked about the menu, and he mumbled something I could barely understand. I figured maybe he was just having a rough day. Then it got worse. My food took forever to arrive, and when it did, it had a weird taste. I tried to get the waiter's attention, but he was nowhere to be found. Drinks were forgotten, orders were messed up. It was like a comedy sketch gone wrong. Now, I'm a patient person, but this was too much. I felt annoyed and confused at the same time. Was this place always like this, or was it just my luck? But here's the kicker. Just as I was about to storm out, the chef, who overheard my complaints, came to my table. He was genuinely sorry and explained they were short-staffed. To make up for it, he gave me a free dessert and promised a discount next time. I was shocked, to say the least. His sincerity turned my whole experience around. This outing was anything but ordinary, starting with frustration and ending with a surprising dose of hospitality.